Hello, YouTube. I'm feeling kind of sick today. Sick. But I don't feel it too much because today is a kind of an extraordinary day for me because I received lots of stuff in the mail. Lots and lots of stuff in the mail. I usually get, well, in a particular day, in a particular week, I get like 0 mails. But today, just today, I got lots of stuff. Just wanna share with you the stuff that arrived. First is my greatest hits of Aqua. I'm a huge fan of Aqua, and this is the greatest hits collection with a DVD, and it includes their greatest hits plus 4 new songs. Also from the mail is my Avatar 3-disc DVD set. I have to order this abroad because it's very unlikely that you'll see the stuff here in the Philippines. And of course, here's the one I was really waiting for. This one, the Bruce Springsteen Darkest at the Edge of Town Deluxe Edition, which includes 6 discs, 3 CDs, and 3 DVDs. And I've been very excited about this ever since it was announced a couple of months ago, and said I couldn't wait to get this one because I've been waiting for that for a while. And this last one is actually very special because it's Elmer. It's the French edition of Elmer. I want to read from it, but I really can't understand it. It was published by Editions Saitla, and this arrived today. Is my complimentary copy, and it looks very nice. It looks much better than the version that I did here in the Philippines. Much better paper, much better printing. They really spent a lot for this. Ready for some hot stuff?